Bafet. Welcome to a very beautiful, fun, and exciting episode of Cars, Stands, and Lies. And I am your nice, good, beautiful, great fan host, Nkupi, the entertainer. What about the Jewish? Hey, having a nice car, you always want to wash it. So, let me go to the car wash. Let me go to the car wash while I wait for the guy who wants to give me VR6 rims. You see, by crying on social media, people who had the rims and were very willing to give me came through. So I'm gonna be sorted. You're gonna have VR6 rims, and I'm gonna remove those crates, so you need to sit down on your own rims, boy. Let's go. We're not gonna get washed. Yeah, guys, I am with Chida. There's the leg. He says he bought a Golf 4, so he wants me to check it out. So now, guys, I am a recommended car checkout. Okay, there is change at the back. There is change down at the back. You can see him. You can see him. So I'm a recommended car checker. Chencho, MK3. Olo lolo. Let's go and see me changes. Let's go and see me changes. Ambie MK3 mfana. Eh? Wona go le ke mo. Mone ye mona o ka se fa mphe yona. Mphe yona.
Wena wa ka le dina nyana tshi.
Nna ke re go le ye ge o rata e ka dia flop ge o rata mara go sa rate a ena flop a wa pe ka se ma motha mo ka mona go le street wa so street go le ya juice street esa batha ka airbox So guys, I decided that, you know what, I'm gonna bring the car to the car wash and I'm gonna bring it to the car wash and yeah, let's see how it looks after this. Normally I think I've taken it that side, so I'm giving this one a chance. Let's see how they do things and I'll be on the next one after this. There's the one I went the last time. Remember that car wash? And now we're here. Yeah, guys, they're done. But it's already late. Okay. To tell.
What do you want? Nobody judge you fair, I will show you where.
Sas. And keep on if it in a mukuni. Mi saluto le buon. Wa batantate. How bata? Chisampa maku. This guy's beautiful, guys. This guy's beautiful. I know how to build. I know I build one of the beautiful. Habash. Asikawa shout. All right, let's see level here. Hey, muno ya guy mun. Yeah. Muno na subo. Dinsa. What?
Speedometer. 100.
Never just speedos.
Yeah.